Thank you, Pradeep sir. It's an excellent lecture on the present and the future trends of critical training in India. I think, as you said, rightly said, I think more and more we are moving towards the competency-based curriculum rather than the proper curriculum-based training. So I think we would be interacting more in the future as the being vice chancellor of Indian College of Critical Care Medicine. So coming to the end of the overall program, as there are no questions, so would like to say our vote of thanks. So going into it briefly, we've seen 2 days of academic feast. Critic 2021 has been hugely successful with almost 900 registrations, and at this point of time, almost 600 people still live watching the sessions both on Facebook and the website. So this is a pretty novel way of conducting the conference with minimal PowerPoints and minimal slides and more of a discussion and more of knowledge gaining experience. This was suggested by our senior faculty, and we took it and we moved forward interview based section. And almost 48 faculty, including national and international faculty, contributed to this. And our sincere thanks to all the faculty. Once we decided on the 3rd of this November, we have pretty short time to go forward and conduct on the 11th of this month. And each one of the 48 faculty, they actually responded to us. They helped us in recording the sessions. And even on this day, I think even at this 10 o'clock, 10 p.m. at this time, they're still interacting with the audience and taking the questions. Our sincere thanks to that. And almost 25 lectures or interviews were conducted, and we believe most of the students benefited from this. And we are going to keep these lectures available on the internet, maybe on our YouTube and Facebook of Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine Hyderabad chapter for the benefit of the students. And our sincere thanks to the ISCCM Hyderabad and ISCCM National panel for giving us an opportunity to conduct this conference. And my sincere thanks to the executive committee members of the ISCCM Hyderabad chapter. Each of us, we worked as a team and more of as a family and helped us each other in conducting this conference within such a short time, almost 5 days, and out of it, 4 days are the public holidays. And our sincere thanks to the members of Indian Society of Critical Care Medicine, both at the national level and of the Hyderabad members. They have been pretty supportive and giving us suggestions in how to improve over the period of time. And our sincere thanks to the Cipla company, which has supported both the IT support and the logistics, which responded over the period of last 2 days. And we have to say our thanks to the IT team, Divya, Mobin, Irfan, Iqbal, all of them were there, and we have been troubling them even through the public holidays, the nights. I think they have helped us a lot, and our sincere thanks to you guys. If I forget any one of your name, please pardon me, but we convey our gratitude to you. And saying the vote of thanks doesn't go, we don't stop it here. We have the final day of the physical conference at the Hotel Haritha Plaza in Hyderabad. I think the physical meet starts tomorrow at 6 p.m. Whoever it is available for you, please make it there. We have interesting lectures, 2 lectures on the COVID antibody cocktail and multiplex PCR techniques, followed by plenary lectures by seasoned speakers and foremost thinkers in the field, like Dr. PBN Gopal will be talking on an important topic of critical care status after the present COVID storm. And second talk is by Dr. R. Vijay Kumar. It's a very abstract topic, survivorship experience, rather than objective numbers. So please come there, meet us, let us interact with you, and it will be followed by the banquet. Please join us tomorrow, and thank you one and all.